As organizations scale their automation with ABBYY Vantage, a critical gap has emerged between rapid development and enterprise-grade governance. Today, we are proud to introduce SMarky, the industry's first configuration manager specifically designed for your IDP. For many teams, Vantage skills act as a black box. It is nearly impossible to identify what changed between version 1.0 and 1.1. This creates significant compliance risks. When an error occurs in production, troubleshooting often feels like a race with no map to guide you. Use SMarky, the silent guardian for your automation workflows. SMarky runs in the background, requiring zero changes to how your developers work. The moment a skill is published in Vantage, SMarky automatically exporting and versioning the skill without any manual intervention. Our core innovation is the readable text format. SMarky translates complex skill definitions into a human-readable format. By integrating directly with GitHub, we provide your team with instant, line-by-line visibility. See which script was modified, which field was added, and which logic path was updated. The value to your organization is measurable. SMarky ensures you are always audit-ready with clear, traceable records for regulatory compliance. You'll reduce operational risk by identifying changes before deployment and lower your recovery time by having the power to roll back changes instantly. Setting up SMarky is straightforward. Your installation package contains two files, the SMarky executable and a configuration TOML file. First, establish a secure handshake with Vantage. Select Public API Client under the Configuration menu. Here, you will get unique client ID and generate client secret. Next, we prepare your GitHub repository. Generate a personal access token, Classic. SMarky requires to grant the permissions on the screen. This ensures that SMarky can automatically push your skill updates into GitHub. Now, open your configuration file and paste your Vantage credentials and GitHub token into the designated sections. Once saved, simply run the SMarky executable. On your first launch, you'll be prompted to register your device with your email address to activate your license, starting with immediate 2-week trial. With activation complete, link your first skill. In the SMarky dashboard, click New Connection. Select your GitHub repository, working branch, and Vantage skill you want to track. Set a tracking frequency to ensure your code repository is updated frequently. SMarky will now monitor your skill for any changes. From the dashboard, you have full control. You can trigger a manual sync at any time or even sync from GitHub back to Vantage to update a previous version of a process skill. SMarky is more than just a configuration tool. It is the foundation for trust and scale in your intelligent document processing journey. It bridges the gap between Vantage and DevOps practices. You ensure that your automation is auditable and enterprise-ready. Start your 14-day trial today. Reach out to begin your implementation. Thank you.